In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Smartsheet. Whether you're gathering feedback, managing data collection, or just trying to simplify your workflow, creating forms in Smartsheet is a powerful way to streamline the process. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open the sheet where you want all your submissions to be recorded. This is crucial because your form will be directly tied to the columns in this particular sheet. Once you've got your target sheet open, look at the top toolbar and click on Forms and then Create Form. By doing this, you're essentially setting up a new form that will reflect the columns you've already established in your sheet. It's a great way to ensure everything lines up nicely and that your data ends up exactly where you want it. Now that we've got the basics set up, let's talk customization, which is where you'll really make this form work for you. In the main area of the form builder, you have the opportunity to tailor each form field. Simply click on any field to open up a host of options. You can adjust the label, making sure it's clear and informative, set it as required to ensure no crucial information is left unfilled, configure default values for convenience, or even impose drop-down restrictions to guide your users. It's a pretty versatile toolset that allows you to make your form as user-friendly as possible. Alongside these individual field options, there's the Fields panel. This is your command center for form customization. With it, you can add headers, include descriptions to provide additional context, and introduce dividers to break up your form for clarity. Need an attachment field? Not a problem. Add one so users can submit files with a max limit of 30 megabytes for up to 10 files per submission. Considering how you want your form to flow is important too, so just drag and drop items to reorder fields as you see fit. You've put in the work customizing, and now it's time to save these settings. In the Form Builder's top right corner, there's a Save button that will ensure all the changes you've made are securely recorded. But before you publish your form, it's wise to preview it first. Use the Open Form option to give your form a once-over, checking that everything looks right and functions as intended. So there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to creating effective forms in Smartsheet. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these tools allow you to collect information seamlessly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy form building in Smartsheet.